Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite hairstyles for summer. Hey.
Like 4 a.m. Why the hell I just text my ex? Pull up on her for that late night fix.
So today I'm going to be showing you a high ponytail, not this ponytail. I'm going to show you how to make your ponytail look so much cuter and really not require much more effort than this, but yeah, this isn't going to fly. So we're going to call today's video a Kim Kardashian inspired high sleek ponytail. This is a look that I have been wearing all summer. It's perfect for me on like day 2 because I have like thin hair, so I kind of have to wash it every single day, but it's not good to wash it every single day. So in between, like I can wear this ponytail because I can't wear my hair down on like day 2 of not washing it. It's just too oily and just looks absolutely terrible. So this ponytail has been my go-to look. It's perfect for work. It's out of my face, but it still looks so cute and stylish. So let's jump right into it. So for this video, you're going to need a couple things. First is you're going to need some clip-in extensions. The second thing you're going to need is one of these smoothing brushes. Now, you can't just use any brush. It needs to be like this smoothing brush. You see? I'll link a brush below so you like know exactly what I mean, but this is key in getting like your high sleek pony. And lastly, for this look, I'm going to need a straightener because this is just how my hair air dries. And it kind of looks a little like bleached and fried. So we're going to make it look nice and sleek with the straightener. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just run this straightener through my hair. It definitely doesn't need to be like perfect. I just want it to look a little smoother like that. And typically when I'm doing this pony, I'm on like day 2 of not washing my hair. So like right now my hair is just like freshly air dried out of the shower, so that's why it's like this. But usually I'll have already ran like either a straightener or a curling iron through it to wear it down on day 1. So I usually can skip this step because it's already looking pretty like smooth. It just looks healthier when it has like some kind of hot tool applied to it. Now that my hair is all straightened out, I'm going to be grabbing my extensions. The extensions that I'm using, I don't know if you saw my last video, they're from Erabella. I've been loving these extensions. I'm not using the whole set for this look. I'm just going to be using like, let's see, I brought 3 over here, but I think I'm just going to use 2. I usually just use 2. I'll use like a 3 clip piece and a 4 clip piece. I don't know, for this video I should try and throw one other one in there just to make it even more like big and Kim Kardashian like, so maybe we'll try that. So again, these extensions are from Erabella. I love them because they have like the same ombre as my hair. You can see how nice that looks. And then they just add so much length and blonde, extra blondness of hair that like my hair stops right here. And yeah. So the trick to installing your clip-in extensions for a ponytail is instead of clipping them as you would usually clip them like this, instead you're gonna flip your hair over. And so like say I want my ponytail to be like right here, I'm gonna flip this much hair down and I'm gonna be installing them like upside down. So you flip your head down and clip them in Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna put another track right on top of that. And then one more right up here. And I'm just basically clipping it to the extension hair that's I had just clipped in previously. So now I have all of that there, and I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and also flip that down. And now I'm gonna start forming the ponytail. Okay, so once you have it all in a general ponytail shape, that's where this smoothing brush comes in. So now I'm going to grab this brush and I'm just going to smooth over the sides, the back, the front. It would also probably be good to use some kind of like hairspray while you're smoothing, but I just don't really need it. This ponytail like lasts on me all day, and I really don't have too many baby hairs. I mean, I guess there's a couple right there. So if you don't need it, why make your hair all hard? And so, as you can see, I'm just working on perfecting that ponytail. And this brush really just makes it so easy. Without that brush, you'll just always have like those little bumps, and you know, you'll throw your ponytail up and it won't look good, so you'll have to do it again. So I finally have it looking exactly how I want it. And you see, even without hairspray or anything, this brush just helps give it like such a nice shine. And now I'm just going to secure it up. And then you can go over it with the straightener again. I'm not going to, because I kind of like it to not look too flat. And another trick you can do, and again, I don't do this because, I don't know, I feel like it like has enough volume up here already. Like, look at all this hair. I'm not used to all this hair, so this is like a ton of volume for me. Another thing you can do though is double up on your hair ties. And then it's just going to pop that up even like a little bit higher and just make that ponytail even a little bit more fierce. So you want to stay away from using like these really thin hair ties. And I use like a little bit of a thicker hair tie for this, and then go ahead and double it up with the thick ones and you'll be good. Now, to finish it off, to hide the hair tie, you got two options. So you can either grab a little piece of hair and wrap it around. You could also wrap this around more than once. And then grab a bobby pin, preferably a bobby pin that's like the same color as your hair. And then just secure it right underneath your ponytail. And then hopefully all that hair will hide it. Or option 2 would be to grab like a fun scrunchie. Scrunchies are so in right now. I just picked this one up from Forever 21. And yeah, so I mean, I love the way that looks like that. That's how I usually wear it. But it would also be so fun to throw a scrunchie in. So I'll give you an option 2 right now. And I think I'm going, should I double it up? No, it looks good like that. It's so pretty and sequency. So yeah, that's an option too. And so I've been wearing my hair up like this in a high ponytail for work, and it is just so nice, especially when I'm working on clients and doing a ton of makeup. It's so nice to have my hair out of my face. Not only that, it's a super cute hairstyle. It looks done, even though, as you saw, it literally took me like 3 minutes, maybe 5, even with straightening it. And I usually don't have to straighten it if I had already straightened it the day before. So yeah, it just looks so cute. I don't know, comment below and let me know if you like this hairstyle. Comment below, let me know if this is something that you would wear or you would try. And also, if you have any other celebrity-inspired like hairstyles or looks that you wanted me to recreate on this channel, just comment that below, and I would love to do some more hair videos. So that completes this look for today. This is my Kardashian-inspired high sleek pony. I hope you guys loved how it came out. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can check out my Instagram. It's at makeup_Kara. Bye.
Say something